Okay, today we are talking about how to fix loose bed frame legs. So here's what we're trying to fix. So for today's solution, we're going to use some scrap 2x4s. Let's get started. I'm use some wood glue and countersink wood screws. So I cut 8 pieces of equal length, and I'm going to glue and screw them together, essentially to make my own 4x4 leg, one for each corner of the bed. And we will then screw and bolt these to the existing metal bed frame. I'm pre-drilling my holes. And a little bit of wood glue goes a long way. You don't need to overdo it with the glue. The reason I'm pre-drilling my holes is so that way I reduce the risk of splitting the wood when I go to drive my screws in. These are just your normal deck screws you can buy at your local home center. And I'm going back and drilling another slightly larger recessed hole for the head of the screw to sink down into. So essentially I'm drilling a countersink with the drill bit. But obviously not all the way through, because then your screw head would go too far. And when we're done with this, you could paint them black to match the black metal bed frame if you wanted to. Okay, so now I pre-drilled my hole, small pilot hole. Go ahead and drive the screws in. From the top side, I had to drill holes through the metal bed frame, and we'll drive some screws in from the top, like so. There's the finished product. That's what it will look like on all 4 corners. And now you can see the bed isn't wiggly or wobbly anymore. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.